What up, everybody? This is a Lenovo Legion Slim 5 unboxing. It's gonna be a quick little unboxing. Show you what I got for work, for gaming, stuff like that, essential needs. I got a couple of accessories with it. I got the Astro A10 headset with the Logitech G305 mouse. Yeah, basically it's been good, man. I've been downloading couple games, trying to test it out, see how it runs. The FPS is good. The OLED screen is good, 4K, stuff like that. Just a little quick, simple, affordable setup where you can use for work, use for editing, use for gaming, everyday needs. I mean, you could do everything on your phone, but it's better to feel like you're working. So, yeah, basically, I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the video. And at the end, I'm gonna show you a couple gameplay Fortnite. Show you guys how it runs, and I should give you guys all the specs in the description of where I bought the stuff. It's on sale right now. It's 2024, April 2024. So go check it out. It's a little small laptop, but it packs a punch. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and have a good day.
Look.
He's one shot. He's one shot, bro.
I need heals.
Yo, man, use that shit on all of us, nigga.
How you do that?
Kim-san, come over here. No, he already got it. Kim-san already, whoever. Somebody, one of you guys just do it one time. And we have to be next to you, heal all of us. Hold on to it.
Oh. I was clicking it the whole time, bro.
This nigga's retarded, bro.
Hey, come eat this banana.
I'm gonna drop the med kit. I'm gonna hold halves. If you guys wanna pick up the med kits, pick it up. Alright, yo, we got to get out of here.
Only 2 squads left.
Hey, let's go up to this island right here. Yeah or no?
Where you at?
Big boy, you wanna go for it?
Yeah, there's a launch pad up there.
2 squads left. 3 against 4. No. 4 against 3.
Oh, so.
Look right here.
Hey, come over here. There's a the build station.
On top of the island?
Oh, he's shooting at somebody? Yeah, come to the island. You can fix your gun, Abi. Put like drums and shit on it.
Not 2.
Ooh-wee.
Kim San seemed like he got it. Oh, we won already.
Cheers! Second dub.